English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Beware, alternate, delegate. Beware. Beware is a verb. C1 learners usually know beware. Beware is used to warn someone to be careful. Here are some examples. When you go there, beware of the dog. Beware of the sun in Australia. Use sunscreen. If you swim there, beware of the strong currents. Alternate. Alternate is an adjective. Alternate is a verb. C1 learners usually know alternate and alternate. At C1, alternate is used to show that things take turns. That is, A happens and then B happens, then A, then B. Here are some examples. In the game of chess, players make alternate moves. For this essay, you need to write on alternate lines. The classes alternate, that is, they take place every other day. Delegate is a noun. Delegate is a verb. C1 learners usually know delegate, the noun. At C1, a delegate is a person who represents others at a meeting. Here are some examples. He will be our delegate at the next meeting. Voters have the right to elect a delegate to represent them. There was unanimous support from delegates at the conference. Now write some of your own sentences with beware, alternate and delegate. Download the free C1 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.